everyone. So I'm going to do a little tour of what we've got so far in the studio. I also wanted to show you the nice snow that we had this week. As you can see, there is a ton of snow. So we're still a work in progress. These are some shelves that my husband's working on building. And they are in the storage room, and I'll show you what we've got so far in there. This will be primarily, this area here will be where frames and stuff are put on the artwork once we get this all done. But everything was painted. Everything's got a fresh coat of paint. The floor's got a fresh coat of paint on it. I'll kind of show you. So right in this area, we'll be building like a temporary walls. Here you can see I've got a table here. I'm gonna have several other tables in here, 2 permanent, and then I'll have some that are folding tables for when I'm doing workshops. Over here is my main desk area. I'm still setting this up. I've got a cart coming, but you can see I have a lot of my paints put away, and I still have to put all my lighting and stuff up, but we're getting there. I don't have any art hung on the walls yet. Here you can see I have one of my big easels. This one lays flat as well, and some of my work in progress work and lots of storage stuff. This is a great table for me to do some flat work on. So what I end up doing is just doing a lot of pours and stuff on this one. This one works out really well for that. I've got some more storage here for some canvases. So let's go into the storage area. Let's see. This is our little kind of closet room. In here, we're gonna end up lots of paint stuff here. We're still working on painting. This will end up being like the smaller paintings that I have. I'll hang some on the wall and I'll have them displayed for people. This is our storage room. So we have a lot of things that we still need to unpack, but as you can see, it's a nice space. This will have a little refrigerator and a lot of storage in here. I think this is going to be going into the workshop. You can see we have a lot of shelves, so I'll be able to store a lot of things once I get organized. Right now we just kind of threw things on the shelves as we move them in, but I have almost everything here. I just have some paintings left in my old studio. And then this is the new shelving unit that is being installed, so that will be nice right here. I'll be able to have a ton more storage, be able to store some of my artwork, and I'm pretty excited. So I'm glad that I got to show you, and I hope that everybody is looking forward to the new studio. Once it's done, I will have a lot more pictures, and I do have some work in progress pictures that I will be posting soon as well. Thanks.